Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class and our today's topic is sentence making from number 1 to 5. So let's start our class. Students, please look at the board. Our today's topic is sentence making. There are total 5 given words and we have to make the sentence with these 5 given words. Okay, so let's start. The first one, number 1 is dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. And the sentence will be Mita can dance. Mita can dance. Mita can dance. I'm repeating. Our first given word is dance and we have to make a sentence with dance and the sentence will be Mita can dance. Mita can dance. Now go to number 2. This is sing. S-I-N-G, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. And the sentence will be mother can sing. Mother can sing. Mother can sing. I am repeating. Our given word is sing and the sentence will be mother can sing. Now number 3. The given word is pet. P-E-T, pet. I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. I have a pet cat. I am repeating. This is pet. The given word is pet and the sentence will be I have a pet cat. Now go to the next one. The given word is top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. And the sentence will be I play with a top. I play with a top. I play with a top. Now the last one, number 5 is garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Garden is the given word and we have to make sentence and the sentence will be I have a flower garden. 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 Students, now I am repeating today's topic that this is sentence making and these are the given words. At first, number 1 is dance. Mita can dance. Sing. Mother can sing. Pet. I have a pet cat. Top. I play with a top. And number 5 is garden. I have a flower garden. And students, your homework will be sentence making from number 1 to 5. That means today's topic is your HW and you have to submit your homework on Saturday. Okay students, take care, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.